Hello guys, welcome to our video. This is our presentation about project-based learning, and now we are going to explain about substitution chipper and Kaiser chipper next. And here we are, the the team and the job decks we have done. Next, we are going to explain to you about the description about the project, the output, and the project completion. And now the first thing first is description project. We got the cryptography technique, our Kaiser chipper and substitution chipper. And the cryptography is the science of securing communication. We get the advantage. This R is simply in the implementation, good enough security, and more complex or modern. Next.
We will explain how the Caesar shipper process works. Now we have a plain text which is Neso Academy, and now we will tell you how to encrypt the plain text. Firstly, we create a key in the form of letter spacing. In this plain text, we use a key that is 3, and if spaced 3 letters apart, it will become key, which is N, O, P, and key. And the next is E, which if spaced 3 letters apart, it will become H, and so on until Y becomes B and get a result like the following zipper text. And this is how Caesar zipper works. Next.
We use the simple substitution chipper method to as an example of shifting 13 times, so that A becomes N, B becomes O until M becomes Z. And we have an example of the plain text is hello, and we substitute it into URRYD. Next.
Okay, from the code, we are going to make the Kaiser chipper, and first thing first, we are going to import everything, include the message box from the TK Anchor, and then we import the best64, and then we import string, and below it, we can get the screen variable to make the pop-up window, the title, the background, the resizable info, and the screen info, then the position from horizontal and vertical from our device. Then we got the label and the entry, so the audience can know what to fill with the entry grid. Next, from this slide, we can get the def function to encrypt. If the encrypt, the plain text will be converted to ASCII code, and then the plus the key. And next, def decrypt is with the parameter is going to decrypt the ciphertext, become the plain text is the ciphertext is convert to ASCII code, and then from the ASCII code is minus to the key, and then become the plain text. There is a button, so the audience can run the program and with screen.main loop. Next, the result of our project, the first project, and we can get the button, the label, the entry, so can the audience fill out the plain text and the title of the window, and here we are. Okay, thank you.
In this program, there are import and configuration. The program uses the Flex Web Framework along with several extensions like Flex WTF for props, Flex SQL Alchemy for database interaction, Flex Login for user authentication, Flex Bcrypt for password hashing, and others. Database URL is set to SQLite, and a secret key is configured for security. Database models. Two database models are defined: user for user information and authentication, and history for storing user action like encryption or decryption. Prompts. Their prompts are defined using Flex WTF, and WTF forms for user registration, login, and text encryption, decryption. User authentication. Next. The user model is extended with user mixin for user authentication purpose. Flex login is used to manage user session and a login manager is configured. Encryption and decryption function. The encryption and decryption function implement is basic substitution cipher algorithm. They shift each alphabetical character in the input text by a specific amount. Routers. In the program defines several routers for different functionals. Home routers, user login routers, user dashboard router, encryption and decryption routes for processing text, encryption and decryption logout route, user route registration route to view all history logs, login and registration. The login route checks user credential on open successful login. The user is redirected to the dashboard. The dashboard route the display the user history of encryption and decryption action. Next, the history route display logs of all encryption and decryption action performed by all users. Last, run the application. The application is run is using the app.run. Okay, next.
This
Thank
is home section or appears to the web that will display. Okay. Links to login and register. The login page a link point to the URL generated by Flex route name login. The register page link points to the URL generated by Flex route name register. A link is provided to redirect user login page and register page using Flex URL for function. To provide HTML code appears to be a template for a dashboard page in a Flex web application. Let's break down the structure and functionality. Styling content JavaScript. The open page JavaScript function is used to switch between the home and history tabs. It hides or displays the respective tab content and change the background color of the click tab button. Logout. A logout is a profit in both the home and history tabs, allowing the user to log out from any tab. Let's break down the key parts of CSS. Let's break down the key parts of the CSS command style: reset style, background and front style, background image, slide, background image, globe style, box sizing, tab navigation style, tab links, tab content, home and history tab, from and input style, table style, logout style, identity style.
This is the display when we have login, which there is a place to do encryption and description. And on the tab link, there is a history when doing encryption and description. Next, okay, for example, we want to encrypt the word hello as the plain text and received by 13, and the word will change to URRYB. And we can also decrypt the word URRYB to be like before with a shift of 13. We can change how many shifts we want to use to encrypt or decrypt. Next.
Our future work is usage in modern context and security, education, and awareness. Okay, that's all from us. If there are wrong words, please forgive. Thank you.